Ever looked up at the night sky and felt tiny, surrounded by billions of stars? Well, what if I told you there's something right here on Earth that completely dwarfs that number? It's not people, it's not grains of sand, it's trees. That's right, scientists estimate there are about 3 trillion trees on our planet. 3 trillion! Now, compare that to the number of stars in our own Milky Way galaxy, which is estimated to be between 100 to 400 billion. So, for every single star sparkling up there, there are at least 7 trees chilling down here. We are literally living inside a forest that's bigger than our entire galaxy of stars. Next time you're in a park, just remember, you're standing in a cosmic scale wonder. How cool is that? If this blew your mind, smash that like button and subscribe for more.